Hey, what's up artists, this is Vijay here. First, if you don't know who Butch Hartman is, Butch Hartman is the creator of multiple Nickelodeon shows like The Fairly Odd Parents, Tough Puppy, and Danny Phantom, any of which I haven't seen because American cartoons. Ew! Just kidding, just kidding. Or maybe not. But one thing is for sure that this is the level of work that American pros are producing for $200, even after copying. Going back. So, Butchman Hartman, Butch Hartman tweeted a drawing of Mikasa on 20th of February saying, Mikasa Ackerman. To order a commission, click linktree.ee/Butch Hartman. Oh wait, that means someone paid $200 for this too? You paid $200 for Mikasa? Ew! Oh, the artwork is bad as well. I don't care if it's stylized, alright, it's still bad. And it's Mikasa. No way it's $200. But the real problem comes after this. Someone tweeted the original artist of the illustration, and apparently Butch Hartman had just copied his artwork and charged $200 for it, which is very wrong for many reasons, including the fact that it is Mikasa, not worth my money at all. The original artist was a Japanese illustrator, O28Ton. Hell yeah, I love the Japanese. And he has got some really incredible skills there. Just look at these illustrations, holy shit. So, O28Ton found out about this, and next day he tweeted this. I have received a report that my fan art has been plagiarized. I checked the tweets and found out many similarities to my work. In addition, there was a possibility that money was being made. So I am urgently alerting you to this. And he did exactly the right thing. Look, if you and me, at our levels of skills and more importantly with our low recognition, even if we copy other artists' artworks, artists whom we admire or whose works we just find to be beautiful, and post it on social media with proper credits, I don't think there's anything wrong with that. Many times we don't even know who the original artist is. So it's okay to mention reference used because it makes clear that the original design is not ours. And it's perfectly fine that way because we are still at the improvement phase, and more importantly, that's how everyone gets into art in the first place. For example, me, I found the artworks in anime so beautiful that once I thought if only I could emulate one of these, I wouldn't even care if I died. And that's how I got into anime art 3 years back. But Butch Hartman's case is completely different. For us, even if we copy some Big Shot's artworks for practice and post it within our friend circle, it by no means will harm anyone. On the other hand, Butch Hartman is an established artist of the American animation, and everyone knows him. If he copies some less recognized artist's work and just posts it on his Twitter and without mentioning anywhere about any reference used, and moreover uses it for making money, and on top of it, it's Mikasa. That's just wrong. And apparently, this is not the first time that he plagiarized someone else's art. In fact, he directly praised a Ranma artwork before, which is clearly on the red line. Hartman also got into a major scandal involving his Kickstarter 3 years back, but I don't want to discuss that in this video because that will just make this too long. If you want, you can just screenshot this and read. It tells the full story. But one thing I can say is that his 800,000 subscriber based YouTube channel took a major hit after the scandal and hasn't yet been able to stand up. I also have heard that he acts very high and mighty and has too much pride in him, which I honestly don't care about because I don't follow him in the first place. But one thing I can surely say, don't become like him, artists, and don't draw Mikasa for $200. She's a shitty waifu. Johnny.